Make YouTube Shorts with one free AI tool fast for a faceless YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about YouTube Shorts and how you can make a lot of them using just one free AI tool fast, okay? Now, as we all know, YouTube Shorts are a pretty broad spectrum, okay? A lot of people are making YouTube Shorts nowadays because YouTube Shorts can lead to a lot of money because YouTube Shorts tend to get a lot more views because they're like Instagram Reels or they're like TikToks. Like people just scroll down on them and you keep getting a view count. Like YouTube videos are different because people have to click on like your proper YouTube video and stuff. Like there's like a lot going on. So that's the fun thing about YouTube Shorts is because people just have to scroll and you keep getting a view, and per view you obviously get paid. So now YouTube Shorts are normally like, proper faced up videos with good audio, good editing, good content. Now, let's say you don't want to, show your face. Or let's say you don't even want to show your voice, like you don't want people to hear you. You want to be a totally anonymous YouTuber with good content. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. You're going to need a tool that's totally free and it's totally out there in the market. It's called ChatGPT, okay? And we're going to be using ChatGPT, and we're going to use one or two few other tools, okay? But mainly we're going to use ChatGPT, okay? So to start things off, what are we going to do? We're going to first of all take ideas from ChatGPT. So we're going to be like, "Hi, can you tell me how to make easy money using YouTube Shorts?" Okay, first of all, let's take some tips from this. So certainly, YouTube Shorts is relatively a new feature that allows you to create and share short vertical videos on YouTube. While it's not directly monetizable like the regular YouTube videos, there are still ways that you can leverage from. So you're going to build a following, promote your other content, cross promote on other platforms, sponsorships or brand deals, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. So remember, building a successful YouTube presence actually takes a lot of time, which is true. Consistency and quality content needs needed. It's important to focus on creating content that resonates with your target audience and engages viewers. Keep track of YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines to ensure compliance as they may evolve over time. Okay. Now, to basically start things off in this retrospect, what we are going to be doing is we're going to choose our niche. Okay. So let's say our niche is storytelling. Okay. So our category of videos or content is storytelling. So we're going to come here and we're going to write for a YouTube short, write me a storytelling horror script, okay? And then just enter it. So there you go. So it gives you a horror script for storytelling that you can fit inside a YouTube short. And obviously, it might give you a big script, but don't worry, you can obviously always summarize it. It's totally like there is no issue in doing that whatsoever. So as we can see, that is a big story. So we're gonna be like summarize this so I can fit it in 60 seconds. Okay, let's add that. And there we go. It gives you a whole basic summary with the title and everything. And there you are. Now, obviously, this is just your script. How are we going to implement this into a speech? Don't worry, we're going to use a text to speech editor. So we're going to come to v.io, v.io as in v.io. So you're going to come here, and here you can see you have like all of this going on. So obviously, we're going to do text to speech. So for that, we're going to come here on audio. We're going to go to text to speech, and here you're going to write text, okay? Now, the text that we're going to choose is obviously this text over here. So here's our title, and here's our summary. So let's copy this, paste it over here. Now, you're going to choose, obviously, yeah, I thought so. The limit is exceeding a bit. So let's take it down a notch. There we go. Now, this is like the basic thing. Now you can obviously exceed the limit if you have a good plan. So once you do that, you're going to choose the language that you want the video to be in. You're going to choose the voice, the type of voice that you want to go with. I'm going to go with, let's go with Roger. Okay, choose the speed of the voice, and then you're going to click on generate. Okay, so we have the text, we have converted it into text to speech. Now let's hear the voice.
Title: The Haunting Whispers. Summary: In a forgotten town, young Emily explores an abandoned house and uncovers its dark secret. Whispers haunt the halls, and a shadowy figure lurks. She discovers a hidden door in the basement, leading her to.
So you get the general idea. You can see how well that sounds and how real that sounds. And it's really great stuff because they give you a general output of how things are. And like it's really amazing on how well the AI actually acts with like the audios and stuff. So yeah, pretty great and easy stuff to get your head behind. Now also, moving on, what you can do, like obviously this is your text, right? So obviously, we made our text to speech. Now let's go ahead and discuss on how we're gonna, add some images to it because images are an important part of a video as well. Because obviously, it's for the short. We just created like a text and we've created a normal background, a backbone, and some audio. So to create photos, you can use like different platforms like Midjourney or Dolly. Midjourney is paid. It's a paid platform, so I would recommend using Dolly too. Dolly is a program that you can access on the OpenAI website. It's made by the same people who have created the amazing ChatGPT, and trust me, it works as good as ChatGPT. It's basically an image creator that you can create by adding in prompts. So here you can see, start with a detailed description. Now, here we can come and see the haunting whispers, etc., etc. In a forgotten town, young Emily explores things, etc. So what you're gonna do is obviously with every portion of the story you can write stuff like let's say I'm gonna write haunting whispers. I'm gonna write this and let's generate and see what it gives us. Obviously it takes like maximum 20 to 30 seconds. And you're obviously gonna add good prompts to it. And as you can see, these are good prompts for haunting whispers. So you get the general output of it, you get the general idea of it, of the type of prompts you want to add, and then you can just add it into your editor over here to make yourself a good video. So yeah, that's about it. So that is how you can make good shorts using AI. So thank you for watching, and I will be seeing all of you great people next time. Goodbye.